Hello and welcome to this demonstration. In this demonstration, we shall be talking of quantity discounts. Now, what are quantity discounts? These are discounts that are given when a particular quantity is purchased. This is also an inducement to customers to, give them the interest to buy as much quantity as possible so that they can get this discount. To set it up, we first must go to our products and services. I have one that I'm going to edit. Once you click on the parts, you click on continue. We have one here. You just select it. And once it's selected, I'll put a description here. It's there. Sale of chicken feet, and the price is 7,000. The list price is also 7, and the last price is 6,000. Once we have that, we can update it. Then we come down here. Let's say for the quantity, if you buy 50 units, we are going to sell it at 6.8. You click on update. Now, if you buy 100 units, you are going to get 6,005. You update. What if you buy 150? You are going to get, you will sell it at 6.2. You can click on update. Mind you, we can set a particular date for this to happen, so that after that date, it will not, you will be buying at the normal price. You can enter such date here, but in this demonstration, we are not looking at that. So having finished that, we are now going to click on save. That is the product. So let's assume that a customer, if we want to sell to the customer, will go to account receivable, sales invoice. This customer is selected automatically. The cash customer is selected automatically. Now, let's say we put the sale of feet, and we pick the product 1 and we press the enter key. Let's assume we buy 50 or 60. You could see the price has changed from 7,000 to 6.8. Let's assume that let's upgrade it to 106, for example. And once you update, you see the price will also change. You see the price has changed. So the software is intelligent enough to go ahead and to apply the quantity discount. We could put in, let's assume I want to buy 160 bags. 160 bags, and I click on update. This is what you see. The price has dropped further to this. Let's assume now I will put the date that we are going to sell. Let's make it today's date, and we can now, everything is looking okay. You can click on post, and that is the price that we are, the amount that is owed to us. So in effect, that is how to treat quantity discounts. The same way we can go ahead and receive payment. When we click on the receive payment, we click on the box here, you will see you don't have any discounts here. This is the net they are going to pay, and we click on cash received for sale of this, and we click on the account receivable and click on post. And once we post, if we look at the trial balance again, you could see what is happening. Click on the trial balance. This is the amount. We have received the amount. This is what is there. If you click on the balance sheet, you will also see the report, the amount in our bank account, and the amount we have earned. If you click on the income statement, you will also notice the amount we have sold. We have not incurred any loss. So this is how to treat a trade discount. Thanks for your attention. I will see you in my next video.